Hello, I'm Paul Robertson from Kramer. Welcome to ISE 2025 and the ISE booth. I'm here today to talk to you about our new range of TBUS products. These replace our previous generation to give you much more in terms of basically up-to-date technology and also a more aesthetic feel. So what you see here are our top of the table range. So these all sit flush with the table surface. There's a range of different colours from off-white, aluminium and black, and we do 2, 4 or 6 module rectangular T-buses and also round modules here as well. They can fit a couple of modules in. Inserts range from cable pass-through to various different AC power outlets, also individual pass-throughs for HDMI, USB and USB-C, LAN connectivity and so on. For more information on this and other Kramer products, please visit www.kramerav.com.